The NOMAD iPhone 12 Pro Max rugged case. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at an iPhone 12 Pro Max case by NOMAD. They have cases for the entire iPhone 12 line. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. The case comes in a simple packaging. And opening the box, you will see a brief description of the Horween leather that is used and how it will develop patina over time. It comes in a variety of colors and they have it for the iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12, and the iPhone 12 mini models. On the site, you can also see how it looked from day 1 to day 100, developing the patina. The case is slim and not bulky at all. Inside has a microfiber lining with the branding on the bottom. The edges are flexible, and on the left side, you can see that the buttons are covered, as well as on the right side, and the back where the camera will be recessed. Installing the case is easy. Just start off with one side and gently press it all around. I do have a screen protector on here and you can see that there are no issues and the case has a slightly raised bezel. The cutouts for the speaker and charging port are perfectly aligned. The back has a nice feel to it and it's easy to grip, and you can see the protection around the camera. The buttons also respond well and they're easy to push. And removing it is as simple as just putting it on. Just start off with one side and gently push it out. Wireless charging is not an issue with the case. Here it is on the charger and you can see it activate. Overall, I found the fit and feel of the case to be excellent, and it doesn't add extra bulk. It has an elegant look with decent protection. I'm a big fan of the NOMAD cases and I've used them in the past with many of the Apple products. So if you are in the market for a leather case, this should definitely be on your list. So that is my review of the NOMAD iPhone 12 Pro Max rugged case. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.